Good morning this Monday, the 21st of July. I'm Grady Wolf, Senior Market Analyst with Belderranked. Wall Street closed mixed on Friday following reports President Trump pushed for greater tariffs on the European region. The Dow Jones fell 0.32% on Friday, the S&P 500 lost just 0.01%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq bucked the trend to end the day up 0.05%. Reports suggest Trump is demanding a minimum tariff between 15 to 20% from the EU ahead of that August 1 tariff implementation deadline. Consumer sentiment in the US also out on Friday, though, suggests confidence levels in the US are up 1.8% in the latest reading, indicating tariff-induced inflation fears are easing. We have started receiving first-half earnings results in the US, and Netflix shares fell 5% on Friday after the streaming giant reported its operating margin will be lower in the second half of this financial year. Across the European region on Friday, markets closed mixed as investors digested the latest tariff threats on the region. Germany's DAX fell 0.33%, the French CAC rose 0.01%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day up 0.22%. The Asia region also ended Friday's session mixed, with China's CSI index rising 0.6%, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng gained 1.33%. South Korea's Kospi index lost 0.13%, and Japan's Nikkei ended the day down 0.21%. The ASX 200 posted a 2.1% gain for the week last week, and its best week since May, and ended the week with a fresh record high on Friday, driven by market heavyweights like CSL and BHP, each jumping over 3%. Mesoblast rocketed over 34% on Friday after reporting strong early sales of Ryoncil, which is one of its drug candidates, in the first few months of its availability on the market. Virgin Australia also gained almost 2%, and that was after UBS initiated coverage of the airline with a buy rating. The most traded investments by our clients on Friday were led by Wesfarmers, BHP and ANZ. On the commodities front this Monday morning, oil is trading 0.36% lower at $67.30 a barrel. Gold is up 0.32% at $3,349 per ounce, and iron ore is up 0.04% at $97.22 a tonne. The Australian dollar has strengthened against the greenback to buy 65.18 US cents, 96.43 Japanese yen, 48.52 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 9 cents. Ahead of Monday's trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX will open the day down a sharp 0.56%. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has raised a 12-month price target on Mesoblast from $3.40 to $3.50. and maintained a speculative buy rating on the pharmaceutical company following the release of the company's latest cash flow update, including $13.2 million in gross sales from Ryoncil from the period of 28th of March to the 30th of June 2025. The major catalysts for the company include revenue expansion from Ryoncil and the unrecognised value of the likely accelerated approval of Revascor in late-stage heart failure in CY26. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on CSL following the formation of a pattern over a period of 53 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $257.38 to the range of $268 to $272, according to Standard Principles of Technical Analysis. And that's all for this Monday morning. Have a wonderful day, a great week, and happy investing.